Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. This is the Borealis Sintra. When I first saw the name, I thought it was Sinatra, but it's Borealis Sintra. This is actually a prototype. These watches are available for pre-order right now. At least I got the email maybe a week ago. I haven't checked. I placed my order and haven't gone back, but I believe there's still some available. Now, the one I ordered is the Random Rob limited edition, special edition. I guess it's limited. So anyway, we'll get an early preview of that. Now, if this is the best tool for the job or not, but it's what I have here in the studio, my 25-year-old Swiss Army knife. It looks like we have two of them in here. Actually, I'll open this up too after you look at these two watches. Yeah, very cool looking watch. That definitely reminds me of a Omega Seamaster, or maybe Speedmaster. I don't know. It has the Omega shape to it. Cool looking dial here. I guess I would call that maroon. Yeah, very cool. So for the production model, it will have female end links, which is very good. I really appreciate it, especially with the smaller wrist. So it'll fit my wrist very well. Nice, kind of a presidential style bracelet here. Very nice. Has a little bit of taper as well. See, I'll put this one on in a second. Let's open up the other package here, other case. Oh wow, dial. This one was very cool too. Man, I might have to order another one. The Random Rob edition is just a polar white dial. It's not a lume dial, it's just a white dial. But wow, this thing is very cool looking dial. Look at that. That's very gorgeous, very pretty looking. And the movement in the production model will either be a Miyota 9015 or a Miyota 90S5. They're essentially the same movement. The difference is the spacing between the vertical spacing between the hand stack for more lume, I think, if I remember correctly. Anyway, box sapphire crystal here. Drilled lugs, brushed and polished case. These are actually, they look very thin actually, if you don't consider that crystal thickness. Wow, these dial colors are very nice. I like the indices as well. They both do have a date. This one looks to have a date. No, maybe not. Must look like it has a date window, but I think it's just the way the dial color is. Yeah, I think it's just the blue color. The maroon one here, yeah. Still looks very good though. All right, let me get both these on wrist, and then I'll show you what's in this other package here. Yeah, such a cool looking watch. And I'm really happy that they've gone with the female end links. That would be one of my complaints is I don't, especially on this bracelet, it looks a little funky being a male end link. maybe it's not coming across on camera, but the depth of that link is farther out than the center link, so it's a little bit weird looking to me by eye here. Yeah, it's probably a little bit big for my wrist, but I don't know, I like this watch. I think I like this blue dial more though. Kind of reminds me of the Grand Seiko Skyflake. Clasp is kind of a little bit big. You do have 4 micro adjusts. Signed with a B there for Borealis. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go check out their website tonight, and I don't know, I have too many watches, but this dial is a good looking dial. Applied indices, and then you have the Omega broad arrow type hands here. Very cool. All right, I'll show you what's in this other package here. So I'm a member of the Random Rob Discord group, and he I guess decided to do these challenge coins. I've never had any kind of a challenge coin before, so that's kind of neat. All right, let's get this out of. These are numbered. Very nice. Yeah, so these are numbered. So I got number 24 here. So I'll be keeping this on the desk here. I got the Random Rob mug over there. Keep my watch tools in there. Yeah, very cool. And USA made. All right, that will conclude this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of these Borealis Sintras. I really like the styling of these watches and the dial colors and the dial texture. So, all right, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.